Watch out, man, here come them fire dogs.
Your troubles are over. It is we who are your fire dogs.
But Ren, I'm a cat.
Shut up, you fool. He's a good man, but he's not quite right in the head.
Well, boys, you got yourselves a job, but you're gonna work!
Watch out, man, here come them fire dogs. Watch out, man, here come them fire dogs.
Relax, man. Do you know what the odds are of there ever being a fire? 1,000,000 to 1.
Oh, joy!
You're the hottest dogs in town.